How do I create an ESD-safe work area for PC building? Imagine building your gaming PC without worrying about static shocks damaging your precious components. Creating a safe space for this process is easier than you think. First, choose a dedicated work area that stays clutter-free. It should have a flat, stable surface like a workbench or table. Cover it with an ESD-safe mat made of static dissipative material. These mats usually cost between $10 to $50 and are about 2 feet by 3 feet in size. Make sure the mat is connected to a ground point, which can be a grounding plug or a grounding wire attached to a grounded outlet. This connection allows static charges to safely flow away from your components. Next, wear an ESD wrist strap. This strap is a simple, adjustable, but with a cord that clips onto the grounding point. It keeps your body at the same electrical potential as your components, stopping static buildup. Always wear the strap when handling sensitive parts like motherboards, CPUs, or RAM. If you prefer to sit while working, use an ESD-safe chair mat. These mats are similar to the work surface mats and provide a grounding path for static charges from your body or chair wheels. Keep your workspace dust-free and clean, as dust can generate static electricity. Use ESD-safe packaging for storing components, such as anti-static bags or containers. Avoid insulating materials like plastic bags or foam that do not dissipate static. Instead, opt for anti-static foam or bags when handling or storing parts. Use ESD-safe tools like tweezers, screwdrivers, and brushes. These tools are made with anti-static materials and help prevent static buildup during assembly. For extra safety, consider using an ionizer. This device neutralizes static charges in the air, especially in dry environments. It's a good addition if you live in a dry climate or work in a room with low humidity. Remember, static electricity can cause subtle damage or total failure of your gaming components. Setting up an ESD-safe work area helps protect your investment and keeps your build running smoothly. Always handle parts on grounded surfaces, keep your workspace organized, and stay grounded yourself. With these steps, you can confidently build or upgrade your gaming PC without static worries.